DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel wallcurtains.com. Today, we've got an exciting project for you. We're going to show you how to install epoxy natural stone flooring. This not only adds a touch of elegance to your space but also provides a durable and long-lasting flooring solution. Let's dive into the steps to install epoxy natural stone flooring in 2024. Step 1. Prepare the surface. The first step is crucial. Prepare the surface. Clean the existing floor thoroughly, removing any dirt, dust, or debris. If there are any cracks or imperfections, patch them up and ensure the surface is smooth. Step 2. Select your natural stone chips. Next, choose the natural stone chips you want to use. You can find a variety of colors and sizes. Mix and match to create a customized look for your flooring. Step 3. Mix the epoxy resin. Now it's time to mix the epoxy resin. Make sure to mix it thoroughly to avoid any sticky spots. You can also add a tint or pigment to achieve the desired color for your flooring. Step 4. Apply the epoxy resin. With the epoxy mix, start applying it to the prepared surface. Use a roller or a squeegee to spread it evenly. Work in small sections to ensure you have enough time to embed the natural stone chips before the epoxy begins to set. Step 5. Sprinkle natural stone chips. As you apply the epoxy, sprinkle the selected natural stone chips onto the wet surface. You can be creative with the distribution, creating patterns or opting for a more random look. Step 6. Seal the surface. Once the epoxy and natural stone chips are in place, allow the flooring to cure according to the manufacturer's instructions. After it's fully cured, apply a clear epoxy sealer to protect the surface and enhance its durability. This will also give your flooring a glossy finish. And there you have it, a beautiful epoxy natural stone floor that you installed yourself. If you enjoyed this DIY project, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more home improvement tips.